Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Please, if you do enjoy TA and these videos happen to help you in making some educated decisions, this would be a great place to subscribe. Anyways, please follow me on Twitter. I post a lot more charts on Twitter than I post here. Also, interact with the videos. Like it, subscribe, comment, share with your friends, do stuff like that. Gets me to post way more often. Anyways, today it is Monday. It happens to be a little red in the markets. We're going to take a look at Flow Token because it happens to be down 10%. And you know, I always love a discount. Hopefully you all enjoy discounts as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and check out Flow Token. I need to change that. I was doing some other stuff and you know, it just is what it is. Now, let's look at our macro levels of support and resistance so we have a good idea of where this price could be going. So we are on the weekly looking at nice little spots here, not bad. Let's raise this up to where it should be. Stop being such a pleb. Anyways, we're in this little trading range. You can see we actually have found some resistance from this point back in June of 2022. But we're currently rejecting off of it on the weekly. However, relative strength index, we are severely oversold territory. So I don't think we should need to pay that too much mind. Let's go down to the daily. On the daily, we can see we actually broke out of this downward trend, and it looks like we're going for a back test, which, oddly enough, that would be extra bullish in my eyes. We did have one back test. We hit resistance. We're coming down. If we do get another back test, that would be further confirmation, in which that would be the place I personally would be looking to put a long in. But we're going to sit here and wait to find out what's next. Now, from this falling wedge pattern it broke out of, you do have a measured move. And in this measured move, upon breakout and back test, you're looking at back up here at $3.19, 233% gains approximately. For you long-term holders, enjoy the ride. For everybody who's trading this, let's get down deep and dirty to figure out where this thing might turn around. Because noted, if this price action continues, I would expect that back test, even a double bottom situation, would not be out of the cards. All depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin decides to roll over, well, guess what we're going to do? We're going to roll right on over with it. Anyways, let's go ahead and check out the resistance we have right now. Actually, I don't even agree with that. I think it would be more like this. So we tried to break out once, came back in, now we're falling. We actually broke a support as well. Ooh, not looking great. And back tested it as resistance. So furthers the argument, you're either going to see a support down here at 95.31. Maybe the 200 moving average on the 4 hour will give us a little support at 90 cents even. But me personally, I would be looking at this little consolidation right here as support down here at 80.39. That's just my personal opinion. Things can change if you break this down sloping resistance. Definitely can change, because you could end up looking at it like this, where then you start going to the upside. We're going to find out in the next coming days what's going on, but let's go ahead and check out the MACD. MACD, you can see negative momentum has been dropping, but we also see the positive momentum dropping as well. So there is a little bit of bearish divergence. Let's see if we find that on the daily as well. Daily just flipped into the red. That's not the best thing to see, especially when you see all this extra buying. Yikes. Did not even set a higher high. Little tough for flow holders out here. Let's go down to the 1 hour. Let's see if the 1 hour is going to give us some hope. 1 hour is trying to get a smidgen of a rally, but I don't think you're going to have enough to get back over this level of resistance. So I do expect lower prices. That's just my personal opinion. You guys can make your own decisions. But after we get that back test, me personally, I'm definitely waiting for this level right here. 80, anywhere between 84 and 80. That's where I'm looking to get into my longs. Otherwise, I need a confirmation breakout and back test of this $1.16 before I take a long. That's just what I'm seeing out of Flow to USDT. Let's go ahead and compare it to Bitcoin real quick, just to get a little more information on what we're working with here. So let's go out to the daily. I don't really want to look at the weekly on this because I'm sure it's going to look absolutely abysmal. But is this thing going to have a chance to rally against Bitcoin? We shall find out. Anyways, interesting little price action here. Sorry, this video is a little bit longer than normal. We are trying to find support right now. And if we do find support, you could see Flow token. Oh, you're breaking support right now. Never mind. I would expect it to come down to this bottom once again. Because all you can see, you go straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up. Why would this not go straight down again? I don't know. Let's go ahead and check out the 4 hour. Do we have any hope? Not much. We still have room to fall. So, just gives us a little more information on Flow token. Does have a possibility of dropping further, even in comparison to Bitcoin. You can see the sharp decline. Yikes. Always rough, but we could have a smidgen of hope. So if Bitcoin does decide to turn around and start rallying, we might actually see Flow token outperform it a little bit, but you would still wait for this confirmation. 27% upside against Bitcoin is possible. So keep this on the radar, keep your alerts set. However, I do think we should see a little bit more downside before we can start looking to the upside. Hopefully this video helped you out. Hopefully you liked, hopefully you subscribed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take it easy.